I'm Willy van Tongeren. I'm in the pleasant position to be the coordinator of this RESFOOD project. I'm working at TNO as a senior project manager, developing and coordinating big European projects. As mentioned, TNO is the coordinator, where we are very proud of, and besides, TNO is participating in most of the work packages. RESFOOD is developing and demonstrating innovative solutions towards what the title says, resource efficient and safe food production. This is translated in RESFOOD is resource efficiency in recovery, reuse of water, recovery of useful materials, recovery of nutrients and saving of energy. We do this in two ways. We start with a lot of laboratory work just to show and develop new solutions, and at the end of the project we want to demonstrate these solutions in practice at different locations. There's a strong focus on agriculture and on food processing, and in food processing is a strong focus on fresh food, of fresh cut vegetables, what is well, a more difficult subject within water reuse, because these fresh cut vegetables are not really treated in the sense of heated to save, of to take more care about food safety. The challenges we encounter in food processing and safe food production are two-way. In one way, developing new technologies and new tools for this area. In the other hand, the demonstration of these solutions towards stakeholders to convince them that it is really possible to reuse water and still produce safe food products. There are two challenges actually. In one way, we need still to develop new treatment technologies and other technological solutions to treat the water, to be able to reuse it, to monitor the water, to take care of this food safety. But on the other hand, maybe more important is also to convince stakeholders, the consumer who probably doesn't want to eat food what is made from reused water, but also quality managers in a factory, that you are really able to produce food from reused water and also reuse nutrients, etc. So convincing the stakeholders by demonstrating is even more important, I think, than developing new technologies. The effect of RESFOOD on water management is in different areas. Looking at agriculture, we will pay more and more attention to first improve the current processes, but pay more attention to soilless cultivation, where water reuse is more easier to carry out. This means that actually also in dry areas you are able to do this cultivation, but you don't need a lot of external water. You can just reuse your water that you used for the growth, probably treat it a little bit, remove some pollutants, add some nutrients, and you can close this water cycle. That will decrease the need for water in agriculture dramatically. And of course, in agriculture is still the most water consuming sector in the world. In food processing, we treat the water, close water cycles, so instead of discharging after one time's use of the water, discharging the water to the sewer, we just close the water cycle, and that can decrease the water use in the processes with 50 to 80%. So the influence on water use is very big. A lot of SMEs will also profit from RESFOOD. I think besides the small and medium food processing industries, also a lot of equipment suppliers who will probably have new business in this biomass processes or deliver small scale equipment for bigger industries to treat the water. So I think it will really be very interesting for a lot of industries to look at the results and use them in their business. The advantages for consumers are in general that they get better green products, but also the products are safer. We pay much more attention to the water quality in relation to food quality, and besides that we look at water reuse and water recovery, we also pay attention to the disinfection of products. So in this combination, in general, we hope the outbreaks of food related diseases will decrease by this. So for a lot of consumers who are really interested in greener products, lower water footprint, they will profit from RESFOOD.